Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how do you make a playlist on YouTube. So let's get started. As you can see right here, this is what a playlist looks like. This is one of my playlists that I already made. So before you can create a playlist, you actually need to find a video that you want to add to your playlist first. Because in order to create a playlist on YouTube, you must have a video added to it. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pick a random video here to use as an example, so let's just say this one. Alright, once you have your video, you want to scroll down. Then you want to click on the three dots right here next to the download button. From here, you're going to select Save. As you can see here, I already have 3 different playlists, but what you want to click on is Create New Playlist. Then you're going to type in the name for your playlist. After that, you can set the privacy. It'll be set to private by default because obviously this is your own private playlist. All you have to do now is hit create. And that's it. Your playlist has been created. Now in order to view your playlist, first you're going to click on the 3 lines at the top left corner. Then you're going to click on playlists. Then from here, you'll be able to view your playlists. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.